Hey guys, Phil here at Woods Tree Farm. It has been a busy day and I'm just getting the camera out here at 5:30 at sundown because I figured I'd give you guys a couple updates on how things are going around here. We are getting ready for our Christmas season already, and next week we're actually away, so we're kind of getting a jump start from where we would usually be this time of year. And then I also have to take a little road trip to go pick up some trees, so I'm going to be gone for a little while, and then we'll be here selling trees before we know it. This year we're doing more deliveries than we've done in previous years. We've already started taking orders for that. So all that's to say that we're just not going to have as much time as we did in previous years because we're busier selling trees and we've just got a couple other things going on outside the farm. So today we spent a lot of time trying to clean up this area. There's still some work to do, but this is kind of the top of our tree lot, and our shed is right there. And right out in the middle of this area, kind of between where the tractor is and where that white thing is a wreath display rack that we built. We're going to have a big 18 by 27 tent right in that area, and then all around that tent we're going to have trees displayed for sale. We're going to have our biggest trees along this fence, and all that firewood that's over there right now needs to move. Today we stacked over a cord of firewood. I had a big mound of firewood over there on the other side of the splitter. That all got stacked, and there's just a little bit more to clean up over there. Over on this side, we've got just a couple tractor implements and gas cans and a couple other odds and ends that'll need to get cleared out. And then the pallets that are on the ground over there, that's where we're going to store much of our extra inventory that's not on the tree lot, or not on display yet on the tree lot. So we've got some pallets that we've stacked up, made a little pallet wall so we can go really high right there. And we like this spot because it gets shade most of the day, and this probably won't be enough room for all of our excess inventory. We'll figure out once that time gets a little closer where the rest of it will go. About a week ago I made a second wreath table, a table with a wreath clamp in it, and we are now reorganizing the shed. I got that second wreath table in there. It was a little wobbly, so I got an extra piece of plywood and screwed it onto the back, and that firmed it up pretty good. So it's in good shape now. Our old wreath bench is actually right over there now. That one's only 4 feet long, the other one's 6 feet long, so it gives a little bit more room to work. And then that right there is our new camper, and that's been a project that I've covered at length. The whole excavation of this pad and putting down gravel and the electric service and all that kind of stuff. That's all in my other channel on Flat Creek Outdoors. We got this camper so that we can stay out at the farm. It's a 40-minute drive from our house to the farm, and we spend a lot of time driving back and forth, and that's a lot of time that we're not out here being productive. So now that we have a camper, we can spend more time out here, and then in the summertime it'll be really nice because we'll be able to get a much earlier start to our day than what we're currently able to do when we, kickstart the day from our house. So yeah, if you want to know more about the camper, I've got a full walkthrough video on my other channel on Flat Creek Outdoors, so you can go check that out. I'll give you a walk around, show you all the features, show you the inside, and all that kind of stuff. We've started working on a couple photo ops for our tree lot. So last year we made this. We've got the tree measure sign there. That was a big hit last year, and we had it right near the entrance. This year I'm going to have it down near the pond. I'm actually going to move it from right there so that you get that in the background. That'll look a lot cooler. And then just off to the side from that, this is a new addition for us. We have the little hot chocolate stand, and that is really cool. Stacy's gonna decorate it. We're gonna put a wreath on the front. She has a little tray that she's gonna put a canister of marshmallows and a couple little mugs, and the tray is gonna get set up on there. Anyway, that whole thing's gonna get staged. It's gonna be a really cool photo op, and that is right next to our big 6 foot by 6 foot fire pit, which we've actually been burning all day today because we just have, there's waste from the firewood production area. There's lots of other limbs and branches and stuff that are down, so we've been burning all day just to clean up stuff. But that is just down the hill from the tree lot, and people love doing s'mores at our fire pit. And last year, I don't even remember, we sold 130, 150 s'more kits, something like that. This year I wouldn't be surprised if we do maybe as much as double that. We'll just have to see how it goes. But people, I think at this point, coming into our third year, expect the s'mores because we've done it at pretty much every winter event that we've done, and people love it. So as far as the setup of our tree lot goes, we're going to do some things a little bit different than previous years. If you've been following us for a while, you might recall what we did last year. I'll drop a link to some of last year's videos in this video's description, and you can go check some of that out. We're going to do some similar things in that we're going to use T-posts that we're going to push in the ground, and we're going to display trees on T-posts. We're also going to make some longer racks out of pallets that we're going to display some trees on, and then I have some hooks that'll go onto the fence that'll hold the bigger trees up. So a couple things different than what we've done in previous years. I'll cover all that in future video in another week or two when we get around to that. And of course, if you got questions about how we run our Christmas tree farm business here, you can leave those in the comments and I answer everything that I can. So thanks for spending a little time getting a few updates from us. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.